What's up, guys? Welcome back to Makwala Agri. So in today's video, gidi knife bafana di shit malume. So we have received some awesome stuff from our friends Poltek. So Poltek has sent us some stuff that I'm going to be checking out with you guys. So let's unpack the package that we have received from our sponsor, which is Poltek. So let's unpack and see what did Poltek send us today. I'm really excited about this one. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, Poltek, I really appreciate the gifts. You guys are really amazing. So guys, we have received some awesome stuff from Poltek. What I see here, this is for our small drinkers. So we have received this. It's actually the 4-liter drinkers. This is the 4-liter drinkers. So we received 4 of them. I think there are 4. So we received 4 of this. These are small drinkers. We normally use the small drinkers from day 1 until day 14. Hey, they're still tired, man. They're still new. I will see them later. Hey, they're tired. And we also received, what's this? Oh, these are the legs. You remember that I told that Poltek have created legs for our feeders and drinkers. So these are some awesome stuff that they've added on their platform. So they have new drinkers and new feeders that comes with legs. So there's no more putting ropes on your roof to hang your chicken feeder and also your chicken drinkers. No more putting bricks in your chicken house to actually accommodate or lift up the chicken feeder and the chicken drinkers. So we now have legs, and so in this package we have some legs. And let's see. Guys, you have to love Poltek, guys. Look what they've done. Do you know what's this? Chief, this is another type of maybe let's just call it a leg. So this is where you put it. You remember when our chicken used to come in the house, we used to actually put bricks and where we normally put drinkers, we'll put bricks and put our feeders, our drinkers on top of those when they're still young. So Poltek created this for us. So it's important for you to farm with best equipment from Poltek, guys. So let me just title this and let me just see. This is how it's going to stay. No more putting bricks in the chicken house. We're no longer farming with bricks, guys. Poltek have created everything for us. So this is another lake that they've created for the small drinkers. So no more bricks in my chicken house. Now everything it's according to the standard, chief. And then we have the big jumbo. This is what they call the big jumbo feeder. I think this carry 25 kg of feed. So you only pour, if you have 2, you only pour one bag of your feed, and then you are done. So this is how it's going to be. And then where you see these things here, it's where you put your legs. Remember, there's a video that I did previously where I was showing you how you connect your legs and how you actually assemble these things. So go check it out. It's on the channel. I'll put it at the end of the video. I'll put the link at the end of the video. So this is where you put your legs, 4 of them, and then now you have a floating feeder with legs. So from Makwala Agri to Poltek to my fan on YouTube, just want to say thank you. I appreciate the support. Let's keep growing this channel. Dango.